Our Italian-made, open-side bottle carriers are an elegant way to present your wine bottles for gift or retail purposes. These wine bottle carriers have a die-cut carry handle for easy transport, and a top tab to keep it closed. The die-cut front window and open-sided design allows you to show off the wine bottle label. These sturdy wine bottle carriers are made with durable corrugated board in various colors or patterns. They ship and store flat for convenience and are easy to assemble. Gently push in the sides until your auto bottom locks. Load your bottle. Interlock your die-cut handle tab. Visit splashpackaging.com for more attractive and durable ways to package your wine bottles for gift or retail.